where there was extensive damage to the school, mainly to the buildings, and in fact that was damaged during the cyclone, Nigel. And if you just look at the extent of the damage, and it's not only to the school building, but to the teachers' quarters too. And we have done an initial assessment, and it comes to more than $300,000. And this school has been used for the education center for the past years, just to cater for the people down for the settlement. Yeah, we are really helpful to the Ministry of Education and the Commissioner Western's office. They have been visiting the school regularly just to see how they can help us. And we are really optimistic by the words given to us today that from next week they will be starting with the rebuilding of the school, and the priority is the children's education. And we wish to thank on behalf of the management for coming to assist in the rebuilding of these classrooms.